Hi guys, this is a November 2016 Holden Commodore VF2 SSV Redline. Now, this car was built on the 21st of November 2016, and I'm sorry that the review can't be done in the order I usually do it in, but I'll try my best to show absolutely everything that this car has. So, this car is supercharged, as you can see. I'm not sure how much horsepower it has. And there is... So, this car is 850 horsepower, which is a lot. And that equals to around 633 kilowatts of power. And I'm not sure of the torque. And so, LS3 there, and it's November 16, and that's the engine, as you can see. So it would have had cam upgrade, injectors done, cam sprocket, camshaft bolt set, and all the cam gear done, and all the drive line done, and the engine would have been completely rebuilt, being a LS3 with 850 horsepower. That's your LS3 badge there, as you can see. So that's it there. So it was the LS3 6.2 litre V8. The factory kilowatts were 304, and the factory Newton meters were 570. And the owner Mark has made it look absolutely beautiful. This car is a really great car. It's fast, it's loud, and it'll blow your mind, this insane car. It is just insane. So, I'll close the bonnet so you can get a good look at the front end. Not damaging the owner's prized possession too. I have to close it a bit harder. That wasn't hard enough. They're done. And owner's prized possession is fine. So that's the look of the front end, as you can see, with the bonnet closed. It's got your factory 19-inch alloy wheels in black, and this tyre has stacks of tread left in it, and the wheels are gloss black. It's got your 4-piston AP Racing Brembo brakes, which are factory, and they'd still do a good job at stopping this insane 850 horsepower car. Bonnet vents, as you can see, and on this side too. Chrome fender vent and SS badging. I would show you that this car was built on the 21st of November 16. Yep, there it is there, 21st of November 2016. Holden Racing Team floor mats, and there's the rest of the interior, which I'll get to when the car starts up. I will have to be around the passenger side though to show the infotainment system and stuff like that, but I'll try my absolute best to show everything else. Showing the back seat, as you can see, it doesn't look like the back seats have barely been sat in. Show the leg room in the back. There's the leg room in the back, as you can see. Rear air vents. Leather is in good condition. And this car's only just travelled just over 12,000 kilometres to this car. Door pockets on all 4 doors. This tyre has stacks of tread left in it. Here are your Series 2 tail lights. The V8 Series 2 badging. SS badge, X-Force exhaust, which you'll hear soon. I've just opened the boot. That's the boot there. I'm sorry about the owner's stuff, but that boot has 495 litres, so you easily fit stuff in there and clothing. And also under there is a matching spare wheel and a subwoofer, which I'm going to tell you about soon. And closing the boot, not damaging the owner's prized possession. It's got your lip spoiler, as you can see.
Don't get Mark in the video.
I won't. I'll get you to start it up, please, Mark. Sounds good, as you can hear. I'll stay quiet for a bit. This car is insane. Thanks, Mark. You can give it one more. That's the sound. I'll get a sound clip of the Supercharger 2 for you guys. It'll run on E85 too, this car. It's just insane. Go! Two more. That's the sound of a Supercharger, guys. This car is insane. 850 horsepower. Yeah, can't beat it. And it's got the bonnet vents too, don't feel any hot air coming out. And there's the LED daytime running lights, as you can see. Okay, so I'll have to leave the bonnet open. So that's the insane engine, as you can see, guys. This car is insane. Had lots of work done to bring it to this 850 horsepower, which it's making today. Now I'll jump down the passenger side and I'll show you what I can around the passenger side. It's got your carbon fibre dash spears here, as you can see. Decent sized glove box. SSV logo here, as you can see. And I see Mark has done the SV6 SS air vent surrounds too. So here's the infotainment system, as you can see. So it's Saturday the 11th of September 2021 as I film this video. Tells you the time and the degrees outside. So it's 17 degrees outside on a nice warm day here in Gympie, Queensland. So, sound system example.
I had no song in my heart. You put this song in my heart. You put the...
So that's the sound system. It's a 9-speaker Bose premium audio. I didn't leave the music up for long because of copyright reasons. And the subwoofer in the back that I mentioned earlier is for the Bose sound system. So carbon fibre dash spears here and Alcantara here. Soft plastics here. So let's start that again. Soft plastics here. Not only feel good but look premium. I'll just turn the car's accessories on to show the power. Thank you. Just make sure that's going to turn on. So that's the rest of the infotainment system. Navigation. So that's the map. So it's got destination, now playing, navigation, Stitcher, USB, Bluetooth, phone, AM, FM, Pandora, which is no longer available in Australia, tone, config, quick info, and back to number 1. So you can key in a destination, turn the music down, you can go address entry, so you can also go points of interest like a telephone box, a motel or hotel. You can go street dictionary, and you can go to a dealership and all that stuff. It is all there. Plus for navigation, there's live traffic updates too. So it's got points of interest, as you can see, previous destinations, address book, phone book, selects for map, my home, favourite routes, and don't know how to pronounce this one, and travel guide as well. It's got Bluetooth audio as well, this can going in here. It's got a key charger, USB and 12 volt socket. It's got your leather stitched armrest, and it's 6-speed also with paddle shifters, as you can see. So that's up and this one's down. Looking at the steering wheel, it's got your Bluetooth with enhanced voice control. It's got phone controls as well, and this side it's got your cruise control and full collision light with a head-up warning and lane departure warning. Here's your button starts and your alloy face pedals, as you can see. It's got your dual zone electronic climate control air conditioning, as you can see, so you can change your different zones, and there's a 12 volt socket and a coin tray here and a place for your phone too. Here's your electronic parking brake with auto hold and traction control here, which you must always turn off in a performance car. Automatic park assist, this car parks itself. Rear parking sensors, which you can turn off. 2 decent sized cup holders, as you can see, so that fits his drink. So those cup holders fits his drink perfectly. And here's another spot for your coins. I don't recommend putting your phone there though, because of the gear stick. It's got your heads up display too, which I've showed you in Commodores like this before. It's got stuff like your G-force, and this car has competition mode, so when you're in that competition mode, the gauges light up and it looks like a V8 supercar. Tells you your speeds, your revs and all that stuff like that, which I've showed you before. Right, turn the accessories off before I kill the battery. Does it have vanity mirrors? Nope. It's got your electric sunroof too, and those are the controls there, guys. Right, let's hop out of here. It's got 6 airbags, including your side airbags. Right, let's jump out. It's got your leather here and white stitching. And this car is insane. Just show you the fuel cap. Yep, E8, it runs on E85. And also I think I noticed it once. It's got a fire extinguisher in case of a fire. So if this car ever did catch fire, it has a fire extinguisher available. And this car never will catch fire, but it's best to have one just in case it ever did catch fire. And also one more thing round here is that it's got your 10-way electric driver's seat. So those are the controls there, as you can see. It's got your electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights and wipers, heads-up display controls. It's got everything, this car. It's even got your tilted telescopic steering wheel. Those have been changed to carbon fibre. Just looking at this engine, oh, this is beautiful. This car is insane. So, this is Jordan's car reviews, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the notification bell, and please also like and share the video. And I'm sorry the review couldn't be done in the way I usually do it in. And please subscribe to my YouTube. So please comment and please help me get to 1,000 subs. And I hope you enjoyed seeing this insane car. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.